Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you my cool transparent panties. Very transparent and I really like how it looks. I like how it fits. Generally I love this kind of clothes. Very comfortable, nice, easy to wear. It looks like it faces the figure very nicely for me. The only downside can be worn only in warm weather. The color is very good too. It isn't super soft, but it is still very comfortable. Thank you for watching and see you next time. I hope you enjoyed.